Welcome, teams, to the fourth installment of your first LEGO League Engineering Design Process Overview, brought to you by Team Storm, first LEGO League 2015 Global Innovation Award winners. Their ROYGBIV app helps teach math to children with dyslexia. The engineering design process is a cycle of practical steps you can apply to any problem.
If your project involves designing, building, and testing something, as is typically the case in First LEGO League, you will want to follow the engineering design process.
There are many versions of the process. Some people use many steps, while others, like Team Storm, apply a streamlined version. Let's tune in to Team Storm and see how they apply the fourth step, test and improve.
Share your idea with others and test it out in their hands if you can. Doing this sooner rather than later is really important. Often, you can become so involved in a project that it is difficult to look at it as an outsider would. So the best thing you can do is to get someone who doesn't know anything about your idea and see if you can convince him or her that your solution has value. If they can't understand it or would not use it, then more work is needed.
So be sure to test your idea if you can. Take note of what works and what does not. And be prepared that your first idea may not work as you expect.
We had a teacher look over the teacher portal for our app, and she gave many useful suggestions because she is accustomed to using online teacher tools. For example, we adjusted how teachers can search for students' work based on her feedback.
A good innovator knows that there is always room for improvement. So the final step in the engineering design process focuses on making your invention even better.
Assessing usability has been an important part in developing our ROYGBIV Math System. We learned so much from the usability testing. It is difficult to predict what problems might arise for a brand new user.
We plan to use handwriting recognition throughout our app. However, the younger children had difficulty writing within the grid lines of the notebook section of our app. We decided as a team that the keyboard would be more useful and more accurate. And if we find something that works better than our current plan, we may need to redesign our product a bit.
Be prepared to continually assess that your solution is meeting all your requirements and return to the appropriate stage of the engineering design process as needed. You may have to go through these steps several times before you have a working, useful design. Remember, we said you would probably bounce around these steps a bit, because of course, you want to deliver the best product possible.
Don't let the end of your season be the end of your idea.
Thanks for watching the Engineering Design Process Overview, brought to you by Team Storm, first LEGO League 2015 Global Innovation Award winners.